Introduction to Coggle.
The Coggle is a simple, collaborative mind mapping tool that helps you organize ideas visually. Whether you're brainstorming, planning projects, or just trying to make sense of disconnected notes, Coggle offers an intuitive way to turn information into clear, actionable outlines.
Importing and organizing your notes.
Begin by gathering your scattered notes, whether from digital files, sticky notes, or notebooks. In Coggle, start a new diagram and add your notes as branches. You can quickly rearrange, nest, and group related ideas, making chaotic notes much easier to follow and prioritize.
Structuring with mind maps.
Use Coggle's mind mapping format to categorize your thoughts. Create main branches for big topics, then break them down into sub-branches for details or tasks. This structure highlights relationships between points and helps you identify gaps, redundancies, or missing steps in your planning.
Transforming notes into action steps.
Once your map is organized, turn each sub-branch into a specific, actionable task. Add deadlines or checklists where needed. Coggle allows you to add color codes or icons to track progress, ensuring your plan moves from rough notes to a clear path forward.
Collaborating and sharing plans.
Coggle makes it easy to share your action plan with others. Invite teammates to view or edit, collect feedback, and update tasks in real time. Export your mind map as a PDF or image so you can reference your plan anywhere, turning your ideas into results as a team.
Tips for maximizing Coggle's power.
Make the most of Coggle by using keyboard shortcuts, embedding links or images, and regularly updating your maps. Consistently revisiting and refining your action plans ensures your notes remain organized and your progress is always clear and actionable.